Top 5.
Astroe. The pump will automatically detect the power source when connecting to a 120V DC cigarette lighter, 120V AC home socket, or the included 20V rechargeable battery pack. Easy to use and operate, this inflator is great for home, travel, and outdoors.
Top 4.
Bostage. 150 max, size 6.0 gallon tank, 22.7 L, and 2.6 SCF in asterisk, delivered at 90 psi pump, enable long tool runtime with quick recovery of the electric air compressor.
Top 3.
Dual high-efficiency motor of the electric air compressor is made for easy startup in cold weather or extension cord application, 14 GA or larger, 50 feet, 15 2M or less.
Top 2.
CRAFTSMAN CX6150 air compressor, proudly made in the USA with global materials in Jackson, Tennessee. Portable CX6150 compressor with 150 max size, lightweight, portable, and oil-free.
Top 1.
Teromas tire inflator, unique AC DC with 120V car cigarette light plug, as well as 110/120V wall plug for home outlet, makes this inflator more useful since you can use it anywhere.